Hello and welcome to another video of selling life insurance over the phone. Today we're going to discuss a schedule. Now that you've got your phone dialer set up, you've got your leads that have been imported into your sales dialers, you've got your niche website set up, everything is ready to go. So now let's talk about a schedule so that you don't waste time and let your time control you. So what I'm going to give you is kind of a layout of a plan that I'm using, and this is kind of a guideline on how you should manage your time. The worst thing that you can remember is that if you let other people control your time, then they're going to control your schedule. Also, the time that you call them back will also be the time that you've opened the door for them to return your call. In other words, if you return calls on, let's just say, Saturday, somebody calls you on Saturday and you return that call, then you've just opened the door and given them the green light to call you on Saturdays. So here's what I do. My schedule is from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. From 9 a.m. till 10 a.m., I'm going to do my follow-up calls, and these are calls calling back people that I've sent quotes to from yesterday or in the past. These are people that I'm going to call and say, hey, I sent you those quotes. Did you get a chance to look at them? Do you have any questions? Which one do you like the best? We'll go over scripts later in a different video, but I'm just going to go over pretty much a schedule today. So from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m., you're going to do strictly follow-ups. 1 hour in the morning for follow-ups. Then starting at 10 o'clock until 4 o'clock, you're going to make your calls to send out your 30 quotes. You need to follow this schedule because it's going to be real important not to deviate from it, or else you're going to quit prospecting and you're going to be doing nothing but follow-ups. From 4 to 5, I'm going to continue my follow-ups because I probably didn't finish the follow-up calls from 9 to 10. So 9 to 10 is follow-up call. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. is sending out quotes. 4 to 5 is continuing the follow-up calls. Let's say, for example, that you've got 200 follow-ups to call, and you only go through 100 in one day. Well, remember, 5 o'clock, it's lights out. Turn your phone off. Finish those calls tomorrow. They can wait another day. You don't want to go into 7 o'clock working because you'll experience burnout, and that is not a fun time. If you've never gone through burnout, it's a period where you don't want to sell, you don't want to talk to anybody, you don't want to even think about insurance. So don't go through burnout. Have a schedule. 9 to 10, follow-up calls. 10 to 4, calling for quotes. 4 to 5, continue the follow-up calls. Your follow-up calls are just as important as you're sending out quotes calls. You've got to do the follow-up calls or they're not going to buy. You've got to send out the quotes so that you'll have people to follow up with on your follow-up calls. So try to keep this schedule. Try not to deviate from it. If you do, then you're looking at problems down the road for yourself, and you're going to let people control your time. Another thing that you will hear is people will say, can you call me back at 6 o'clock? And I tell them, nope, I can't. I've got an appointment. Well, you might not have an appointment at 6 o'clock. You might be watching TV or eating or with your family, but that's a valid appointment. And so tell them, I'm sorry, I'm booked after 5 o'clock. Or you can tell them, I work till 5 o'clock. I can call you the next day, but I'll have to talk to you before 5. If it's really important to them, they will answer the phone before 5 o'clock. I mean, it's a business. Don't treat this as a hobby. Treat it as a business. So that concludes the schedule of when to do your calls. I'm going to go over it one more time. 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. is follow-up calls. 10 a.m. till 4 o'clock p.m. is your quoting calls, and 4 p.m. until 5 p.m. is your follow-up calls. That's it. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you want to find out how you too can sell life insurance over the phone, how you can go to work in a t-shirt like me and shorts, I'm not going to stand up and show you my shorts, t-shirt and shorts every day, pair of tennis shoes, never leave your house, eat lunch at your desk. You don't even need to leave to go to lunch. Don't waste money on gas. Get your calls done at 5 o'clock and enjoy your life. Be done at 5 o'clock. All right, y'all give me a call if you got any questions. My number, my cell phone, 972-679-9029. We'll talk to you later on the next video. Bye-bye now.